my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a cleaning video because my room's a mess right now. I had finals today and I'm finally finished. The girl needs to clean her room for that Christmas vibe because you know Christmas is coming up. So I'm gonna be cleaning my room, but first we're gonna get some food because your girl is hungry and I did not put makeup on today. So we're having some glasses on to kind of fix the situation here. I think we're gonna get like wings and more because I've been craving that every weekend. Like I have to have wings and more because I'm like addicted. Just like the grease and the fries. That's like my sauce right there. I'm letting y'all guys know. That's my sauce. And look guys, in class we made, oh shoot, I'm putting on my little nutcracker. In class we made a little sea salt scrub for your body and it was really nice. This is what it looks like. We made it. It's called Bombshell Aromatherapy Hand Glove. I put peppermint drop, medieval oil, and I put Mira. I think that's how you say it. Oh my god, but it smells so good. I haven't even used it because I keep forgetting to put this in my bathroom. But so one day I'll make some scrubs, and I haven't done bath bombs in a very long time. But I think we should make them because I have some of the makers to make the bath bombs. But that'd be a nice video to do. That's a cute little Christmas gift idea. And you wash my hands. My hands are a little oily. Yeah, because your girl is finally on break. I'm about to relax. So excited, so I can have a lot more videos to post. And I'll give you more active on my Instagram for these next few weeks. Let's go wash my hands because literally last night I took a nice bath. I had a pink bath bomb that was like freaking like jumbo. And my bathtub was like super pink. It was like a hot pink. And I had some bubbles, I had candles, and I was watching Netflix. And I was like loving it because I was so relaxed because I knew I had a test today. And I was gonna be stressed out. But you know, we're done, we passed it, and make some content for you boos. See you guys when I am leaving to Wings and More. We're finally leaving to get some food.
The flavors are melting on my tongue.
Hey guys, I am back. I don't know if you can see me. Well, there's no glare, but I just got done eating and that was delicious. I had wings and more. And then I got some Chick-fil-A fries because I wanted some fries. Because I wanted Chick-fil-A, but then I really wanted wings and more. So I had to get fries. I'm going to start putting things up. I'm going to bring out my special gloves and my cleaning products. So let's start cleaning. Let's go. I like the fit today. This is an Old Navy crop top. Love it. And I'm wearing some Hollister jeans and my slippers. So yeah, and this morning I was sick with allergies, so if I started sounding weird during the video, I have allergies, so I had freaking tissues with me because I was like, ugh. And shout out to Sophia. Hey boo, I want to say thank you to my gift. She got me a little gift. She gave me a little snack. You like my favorite snacks and stuff like that, so I'm going to say thank you, thank you, thank you. So I gotta put this bag up and take some of the snacks out. Okay, so let's make my bed. My bed's a little dirty, just like right there. Like I said, I'm not really like a person that like has everything all over the floor. I don't know. I try to keep up with my room. I don't let it go, you know, because I don't want a bigger mess and take longer. But we're gonna clean up my little mess, you know. Watching ads here. Don't skip my ads, boos, because you gotta buy people Christmas gifts.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard.
Hey, what's on want to show y'all real quick. Okay, I just made my bed. My bed looks fire. I did these nails for school. Super cute. I got first place on this one. Your boo got first place. Super cute. Cute. I did a little Christmas tree, but yeah. Your girl got first place. She's a nail art designer, whatever. Pretty much my room is clean. Just a little bit, you know. Oh, I got scan receipts. Oh my god. Fetch Awards to sponsor me because I've been using their app for so long. And I do scan receipts, so Fetch Awards, if you see this video, just know. I've been using your app. I guess scan my receipt. Not sponsor or anything, but I'm gonna tell y'all. Scan my receipt. I'm gonna scan it, and you get like, depending on like what, you can get like 25 points, 100 points, but every points turn into money, and you get gift cards and stuff like that. And I thought it was really cool. So yeah, if you haven't already, get Fetch Awards because it's amazing. But yeah, I want to put these snacks in my little candy drawer. I'm gonna get my cleaning products in 3, 2, 1. I got them. Okay, so I think I'm gonna like dust first, then wipe down everything because I need to wipe down. I have all these shampoos. Like, I lose them and then I can find them all in a bunch. I'm like, where did these go? I wish I put on makeup so I could look a little bit more presentable for you guys, but like I was so tired. I had a test. I wanted to film for you guys, so I was like, I haven't done a cleaning video, and like it's a vibe. It's a relaxing video to watch. You know, you have nothing else to watch and watch a cleaning video. Maybe it motivates you to clean your room because you really need to clean your room for the Christmas spirit. I'm telling you, but you need to. So go clean your room. So, get my handy dandy glass cleaner. My favorite because it really gets in there and cleans your motherfucking mirror. And it looks so like crisp and clean. It's also I just put snow on my mirror. Done. Check my little Alex drawers are done. Check TV's done. Check my little decor organizer over there is done. I love it and I hate it when my room is small because I can clean less, but I really want a bigger space, you know. I'm gonna put in my little plug-in because I like to have candles.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives in...
Done cleaning. freaking hit my elbow on my bed rail and it freaking hurts. It's tingling. Hit my funny bone. Ouch. But yeah, I was gonna give you a little overview of my room. It looks super clean. Clean. We love the vibes. Little Christmas tree. Oh, I gotta put that up. Don't mind that, but room is finally done and cleaned. It looks super good. And since I got my camera running, gotta turn off the lights. Lay down, watch a Christmas movie. You know the vibes. TikToks on my TikTok feed are like, what? Like some of my friends are like, this is on my feed. Like, I can't believe some of the TikToks I find. I'm like, oh my lord. But some of them are really funny and actually it's addicting, you know. She's like, one night to the song. You already know. Like, I have a funny TikTok and then it goes sadness. That's how I am. Literally. Be like this. And then literally, it's like how my TikTok is. It's like I'm happy in the moment and then I'm sad. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Hope you got motivation to clean your room. See you guys next time. Bye.